forgot to do an intro. So, here's my intro. Mom life, you guys. It's Halloween day. I forgot to do an intro. Oh my gosh.
Alright, since guys, I do want to start by saying this is sponsored by Dollar Tree. Super excited about that one. And if you cannot find these products at your store, you can order them online and deliver them to your store for free. Alright, here's a video. Alrighty guys, here is a look at the before. For the circle wreath, I decided to do a green burlap. Super happy to find this at Dollar Tree. I like the green for the circle wreath, traditional color, but you have the modern burlap look. In order to do this, I did have to look up a tutorial because I've never done wreaths like this. I almost did the one where you wrap it. I have a video on that, also from Dollar Tree. I'll link it below if you want to do it the simple way. But I really wanted to try this out, so I had to look it up. It's basically, you just take this ribbon. It should be a wire burlap ribbon. If you can, makes it easier to spread out. But anyway, you just push it through each of the little holes, 1, 2, 3, and then you go back and do it again all the way through, making sure that after you fluff it, you're not going to really see any wire, and making sure that you use enough ribbon. I think I had to use 4 packs of ribbon to fill this wreath. For the other one, I chose a traditional burlap color for a cool, like, I don't know, farmhouse look maybe. And I do want to show you that I did just tie the ribbon on. It stayed really well. In between each time I needed to add more ribbon, it was super easy. And then I just hot glued it down in the back. And then you could just go from there. You tie it on, and then you do the same thing over and over again where you pull it up through 1, 2, 3, start from the back again, 1, 2, 3. It's pretty simple, and then if anything's showing, you can kind of hot glue it in place, which you'll see in a minute there. But I did not want to speed this up. I wanted to show you guys as much as I could. So sorry if this part's dragging just a little bit. Alright, the glue sticks from Dollar Tree, you know it. So anyway, after you're done, you can go back through and glue some of the pieces together to kind of make it look the way you want and cover any wire that's showing. And then, of course, you can top it off with whatever you want. They have so many cool things. Oh yeah, I can't edit this out. Y'all have to see what my cat is doing. Look at him. He just, so many times, I had to ask my son to go in the other room with him because he had to know what was going on. Does anyone else have a cat that does this? Because he was like very concerned about what I was doing. So anyway, the toppers, you guys, they have so many things at Dollar Tree this year. I love it. So I found these Merry Christmas signs, the candy canes, snowflake ornaments. They had all types of ornaments, all types of flowers. I really liked these ones, little bows. They had all types of things. The ornaments were so awesome. This is my daughter. She came to see after I finally got my cat to settle down. My 3-year-old had to see what was going on. Y'all know how mom life is. Anyway, oh, maybe you do. Why am I assuming that? Anyway, you guys. So then I decided maybe I would hang just a Merry Christmas on there, but I wanted to do some sort of black and white, that's red and white, for the candy cane. So I cut off little tiny pieces of my flowers, or berries, I guess, and I arranged them, and definitely arrange before you glue, and then I made it like a pattern, you know, black and red for a candy cane. For the traditional style wreath, I decided I wanted it to look a little bit more traditional, so I decided to go with a ribbon or a bow for the top because that's, you know, how a traditional one would. But again, I wanted it a little more modern, so I decided to make a ribbon to put on the top so I could put the Merry Christmas ornament on the top. I really liked the way that this looked. I just hot glued it all on, and then I wanted to add some of these berries because I think it looks like the traditional red and green. I liked it. And then, you guys, I wanted it to be more full, and I was out of the green burlap, so I added this traditional color burlap around the edges, and I was gonna paint it, but honest to gosh, I love it so much. The contrast is amazing. Alrighty, guys, here is a look at both of my finished projects. This one is my traditional wreath. Again, I went with the green to make it maybe look like a real wreath, only burlap to be a little more modern. I love the berries that they have this season. I love the way that the burlap looks behind it. I did that to fill it in, and it looks great. I love the way it looks. These, by the way, are my favorite ornaments that they have this year. Here's a look again at that one. I really love the way that this one turned out. The other one, you guys, I almost didn't put put any berries on it. I almost just painted white stripes on it to just keep that kind of farmhouse look. But I love the way this turned out with just a little bit of the berries in the white and the red. And I did notice that I said black and white and black and red like twice in the video. Mom brain needs some sleep, you guys. Anyway, I love the way this turned out. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. And that is it, you guys. Christmas season is finally here, and this mama is so excited. Yes, oh, thank you. My daughter just handed me something. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Descriptions, other Christmas DIYs in the description bar below, as well as the links for these at Dollar Tree. All right, bye, y'all. Love yins.